Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Punavi. So today I'm going to show you how to work on Tux Paint full screen. First you have to go to Google Chrome, then then type Tux Paint on the search button and then install it and then just close that app and you can see Tux Paint full screen on your screen and then tap 2 times and it will come. Wait for some seconds. So now it came. So this big white space is called a canvas, and at your left side you can see tools like example paint, stamp, lines, shapes and etc. And at your right side you can see brushes. You can see different shapes of brushes like small circle, big circle, triangle, arrows, stars and all. And if you want to click this flower, just click one time and click on the screen one time. See, like this. Flower, 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 flower. Okay, and then colors. These are called the colors. Okay, you can pick any color you like. If you want red flower, if you want orange flower, like this. If you want yellow star, like this, you can do it. And here if you want other colors, you can go to this edit button and you can use these colors. I want like light blue. Okay, I take this. See, like this you can do it. And here also you can change some colors. And if you want to go back, you can press this back button. And this screen is very dirty, right? So here you have to choose here at tools you can see new button. Press it and you can see so many colors and some drawings. If you want to color eagle, you can press. If you want to color heart, you can press. So now we need white one. So just click white button here. Okay, then open. It will ask you want to save it or don't save it. You have to press cross button. Now it's a clean and a white canvas. And here now I want to draw a tree. For that you have to use paint and black color. I want little small brush means you have to click the second one. And here I'll draw like this and draw whatever you want. And this is a tree. You can color it also. See, like this. You can color it, and it will take too much time means you can fill. Okay, see, like this, and you can do like this. Okay. Then if this screen is full green, then again open new, right, like this. Now it's full white. And here I want to press some stories means you have to press here text button and the tools. Okay, just here I will come like this. I want to press something. See here, like this you can press it. Okay, and you can press different types of font letters. I want like this to come like this. If you want in other languages, like this, and like this means it come like this. Okay, different types it will come. You can press whatever you want. Okay, then again and again erase it. Eraser tool means it is very big eraser, right? You can press different types of eraser tools. Like I want like big circle, you can do. I want small circle, you can do it. So this is the speciality of Tux Paint. Okay, and here will be saved and I'll draw one picture, okay, and see here, and go to now I'll tell you about magic tool. Go to magic, and now I think I want like chalk means, see, and you can do different types. I want rails, see, like this you can do, and I want some rain, and you can hear different types of sounds for different types of apps. Now toothpaste means, wow, and here rainbow, and this rainbow means like this. Okay. And if you want some grasses, you can press grass button. Okay, some foam, like this, okay. And if you want lights, like this, okay. Then there is wet paint. It's come like toothpaste, right? It will just mix colors, and I want it in red color means put red one, and wow. And now let's do like patterns like this, and I want yellow, I want green, I want blue, okay, like this. Then I'll just save it. This is a beautiful picture, right? If you want to save it, go to save button, okay, it will click, and here it will come, your image has been saved means it will be saved, okay. And now I'll talk about quit button, and this is enough for me means now it's enough means you should press this quit button at your left side, okay. And after some time let's quit it, and now I'll talk about the lines, okay. Now I'll just erase some, okay, this much is enough. And now lines means you can press like this, wow, ooh, like this and all, okay. Now let's talk about shapes. I think I want star, wow, like this, and pentagon, like this, and like this. You can press different types of shapes, okay. I want orange colors, pentagon, like this, okay. And now we are done, and now I'll just save it, no, save and refresh, okay. Your image has been saved, and now I'll show you how to quit it. Here quit button will be there, and it will take two options. We should put tick mark, yes, I am done, and it will again come to this. And so thank you for seeing my video. Again, come back again, see my channel, and I will be posting new videos. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and please hit the bell button.